curly at the bottom, and then I'm just going to cut this closure. That is how it looks. So you have to apply concealer on the parting to make it blend well with your complexion, but I'm not going to apply for this style because the wig is not mine, it's for my client, and I know she's lighter than me, so I can't apply my concealer. So like that, and then these are the baby hair. So again guys, I'm not going to cut the baby hair because again it's my client's wig and I really don't know her preference, how long she wants the baby hair to be. So I'm also not going to cut them, but you can just cut and then apply a gel.